Proper monsoon, isn't it? Let's go. Pitch dark classic road, goes through the forest. Just loving it, dude. I'm already getting psyched up for the upper view. Can't wait to reach that point, man. We're gonna be literally looping around and reaching that Agumbe Ghat. GA number plate is competing with a KA20. Alright. You know the result already, right? That thrill of throttling out when when you're escaping that bend, man. Just can't explain it. Hey everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, to another day, another ride, another adventure. As you saw in the last video, we started our journey from Bangalore and reached Udupi, Kundapura to be specific. And today I'm trying to cover one circuit near to Agumbe. I wanted to cover that circuit during my college time, and could not able to do it that time. It is what it is. So yeah, today we're gonna be riding from Kundapura, and from Kundapura to Agumbe, and from Agumbe to Sringeri, and Sringeri to Kudremukha. I actually have booked a stay there near Kalsa Hornadu, and I thought initially to directly hit to Bangalore, but I was like anyhow I have to see that circuit how it is, because I haven't been to Kudremukha specifically, and people have been telling me that Sringeri, Kudremukha, Hornadu circuit is beautiful. So I was like, why not? And it's a perfect time to hit that circuit. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy the vlog. From Kundapura highway, we'll be taking this service road, and we have to take this left, which actually goes via Haladi, which is a place nearby. The reason why I love this Haladi stretch a lot, because should I tell you more? Man, the roads are too good, okay? I mean, the wider stretch, the corners, the road condition, to be honest, man, absolute beauty. Whoever built this road, right? They should teach others how to build the roads, to be honest. Whether it passes through a village or if it's a common highway, man, look at this road condition. It's a bliss, to be honest. And as I mentioned, we have to take the Haladi, which is our way. Proper monsoon, isn't it? Let's go. Agumbe is still 16 kilometers from here, but man, look at this view. The pitch dark classic road, that pitch dark road goes through the forest, man. just loving it. And Agumbe 16 kilometer, and Sringeri is gonna be around 45-46 kilometer. Man, I wish I had come here a little bit earlier, but can't do anything now. I'm pretty much sure last time I think I had left Kundapura around 5:30 in the morning, and I was here at 7:38 somewhere, I guess. But man, it was fully fogged up, and that was not even monsoon time. So let's see what Agumbe has for us. And anyway, it's gonna be a little bit cloudy, so let's see. No expectations. Man, we have a lot to see today, isn't it? I have to go to Sringeri, and after that Kudremukha. I'm from Kudremukha to Hornadu. It's gonna be fun, and it's gonna be for sure beautiful. So man, it's 9:21, and it literally feels like it's 7 in the morning. That's why people service your bike and hit the road in monsoon. I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth it. These Hornadu and Kalsa, right? These are really close to Chikmagalur, and man, due to recent landslides and elephant crossings and all, and I've heard electric poles falling down on the road. Due to all this reason, Chikmagalur is kind of close to tourism, man, I really wish, like literally there are a lot of places to visit in Chikmagalur, especially in monsoon, like Baba Budangiri and Mulangiri Peak. A lot of beautiful places are there, but Chikmagalur DC is like nope. Let's take care of us and let's take care of you. It's better that way. So let's see what and when they'll reopen Chikmagalur, and if possible we'll hit Chikmagalur as well. So keep an eye on the channel, guys. It's gonna be, I'm pretty much sure it's gonna be like an impromptu ride. Most people know that I keep my luggage always ready, and 11 or 12 o'clock I see whether I get a sleep or not. If not, by 2:30 pack up and hit the road. And we are entering Agumbe Ghat. Let's go, dude. I'm already getting psyched up for the upper view. Can't wait to reach that point, man. We're gonna be literally looping around and reaching that Agumbe Ghat. And here it is. Damn. Look at that side. Let's go. There's a little racing happening here. I can feel it. Dude, GA number plate is competing with a KA20. Alright, we know the result already, right? These guys are not allowing me to go up. Damn. The thing is, like, you need to take a longer what do you say, a longer stretch, but there's a lot of traffic and I don't want to risk it, man. Some drivers, right, they also need to take a longer stretch, but they just, what do you say, dive into that steep and yeah. What the fuck? Bro, can't expect anything. Look at the loop again in the map. Jalebi, like proper jalebi. Oh my god. As I mentioned earlier, I don't want to take any risk in this wet road with my 25,000 old Seat tires specifically. Because I just love twistings, man. That thrill of throttling out when when you're escaping that bend, man, just can't explain it. After riding for some time in this route and after seeing a lot of hotels, feeling like I have to eat a goli bhaji somewhere. Let's see if we get a goli bhaji in Sringeri. Goli bhaji, goli